Sanibonani, Happy New Year. This is my first video ngivelile kanje. Most of the videos engwenze last year ama-video thola ukuthi abantu bezwe voice yami nje kuphela. So kulo nyaka okay, before ngiqhubeka with the video yami ngixolisa about umsindo lo ozwakalayo. Kunalo msindo nje okhona la lokuqhuma othayela. So xolisa about that. Hopefully nizokwazi ukuthi ningizwe kahle njengoba ngikhuluma nje. Okay, inhloso yevideo namhlanje ngifuna ukuthi let us rebuild our society. Last year ngikhulume kakhulu, I think I've got ama-video 66 engiwafakile ku-YouTube. La khona uthola ukuthi ngikhuluma ngezinto ezenzeke kwaHamboli, security and trading, ngikhulume about i-background yami, ngikhuluma about i-career yami. Starting from Hilton College, kwa-SAPS ngizongena kwi-trading, ngiphinde ngikhulume about futhi my spiritual journey, ngiphinde kube khona ama-video la ngifaka khona la ngifaka khona izinto ezifana like ama-motivation nentshumayelo. Kodwa-ke kwi-video yanamhlanje njengoba ngivele nokuvela kanje ngithi let us rebuild our society, masizame ukurebuild i-society yethu. Kunezinto esingazazi sabantu ba-South Africa okanye abantu ba-South Africa abangazazi othola ukuthi ziyenzeka kunomhlaba esiphila kuwona. Among those things uthola ukuthi ngizwe mina abantu uthola ukuthi bakhuluma kakhulu about abantu bangaphandle, bababize ngamagama besho zonke izinto abathi mababuyele emazweni abo, ugovernment lokhu nalokhu nalokhu. Kukhona izinto eningazazi and uzothola ukuthi ugovernment ube ngazuthi akaninakile because yena kukhona izinto azaziyo nini ningazazi. Kukhona lento ekuthiwa i-United Nations, amazwe ahlangene. I-South Africa is a part of i-United Nations. I-United Nations uma ifonywa, they had a vision ukuba united as amazwe, and then they had a mission ukuthi okay, how are we going to be united? Eziphi izinto esizozenza in order to be united? Those things ezokuthi babe united zi-involve izinto eziningi, zi-involve izinto eziphathelene nani nokuthi amazwe alekelelane to develop, ba-involve ekuthenini basizane kwizinto kuma-civil matters. Lokho ku-include ukuthi even if kuthiwa there is izimpi noba kuthiwa khona i-shortage kumazwe, there must be ama-refugees. Ama-refugees-ke masikhuluma ngama-refugees sikhuluma ngabantu othola ukuthi usuke ezweni lakubo aye kwelinye izwe, usuke ezweni lakubo just because kukhona izimpi or kukhona izinto ezenza ukuthi impilo yakhe ibe in danger, therefore abhace asuke kwezwe lakubo aye kwelinye. Njengoba la eSouth Africa during an apartheid time abantu babebhaca oZuma nabanye babekade bama-comrades ngaleso sikhathi babebhacile beya kwamanye amazwe. So this thing yokuba ama-refugees yinto othola ukuthi into ekhona even nasebhayibhelini ikhona. So kwi-United Nations ezintweni abazibekile kwi-mandate noba kwi-mission yabo ithi ephathelene nama-refugees, ngifuna sibheke lento le ukuthi uthole ukuthi kuthiwa abantu mababuyele ezweni lakubo inani nani. U-United Nations kwamanye amazwe njengako-Brazil namanye they've got ama-refugee camps. Uma benama-refugee camps, each and every person oyi-refugee okanye umuntu ubhacile osuka kwelinye ilizwe eya eBrazil noma kulo mazwe lawo, definitely umthetho abawubeka ku-United Nations ukuthi ama-refugees, abantu abasuka kwamanye amazwe kumele babe ba-register kubani? Ku-Department of Home Affairs. Njengoba be-register ku-Department Home Affairs, leyo database noba lo ma-records ama-refugees akuwona awalelo zwe lelo, kodwa lama-records ayathathwa asiwe ku-United Nations. Uma esiwa ku-United Nations, i-United Nations ufuna ukuthi athole ukuthi mangaki ama-refugees okanye abantu bangaphandle abahlala kulelo lizwe lelo, and then kunezimali othola ukuthi izwe nelizwe bathola imali from United Nations ngobani babheke noba they taking care of ama-refugees. So kumanye amazwe njengako-Brazil namanye you can just Google and check. Baba nama-refugee camps. Kuma-refugee camps kuyazi ukuthi okay kule ndawo le kuhlala abantu ababhacile. And then those people they basizwa ubani u-United Nations uyena obasuplya ngokudla obasuplya ngazo zonke izinto abazidingayo ngoba bahlala belaphaya bonke beyama-refugee. And then mase kuba khona ama-non-profit organizations njengo-Red Cross uthola ukuthi they will go there beyowenza njani beyonikeza abantu ukudla uthola ukuthi mhlambe kufika nabantu bezobheka impilo yabo labo bantu i-well-being yabo ukuthi banjani mhlambe uthola ukuthi kufika namasosha amanye amasosha uthola ukuthi awodokotela abanye onesi bazobheka ukuthi ngabe bahlele kahle yini and then ukubheke nempilo yabo ukuthi labo bantu labo baphila kanjani. Kuhamba uthola ukuthi kuze kuba khona nama-skills abawafundiswayo labantu. Umbuzo wena ongazibuza wona uthi labantu laba basupportwa ngaboni? No, United Nations usuke nemali and then lo mali leyo iyaziwa ukuthi eyama-refugees. ESouth Africa we do not have a refugee camp. Why we don't have a refugee camp? It's because our government no, Tina, we will not have a refugee camp, a place whereby bazohlala bodwa labantu kodwa bazohlala like any other person walapho wase-South Africa. We will include them as one of us, bazohlala nathi. The only thing ozoyenza wena United Nations, you will give us imali as a government, then we will take care of them. That's why you will find that these people, they running a business in none. If South Africa kuthiwa abantu mabahambe baye kwamanye amazwe uthola ukuthi abafuni ukuthi bahambe ama-refugees, the only thing abayilwelayo ukuthi babe namaphepha. Njengoba beba namaphepha labantu, it's because uSouth Africa uzothola imali ku-United Nations according to the number yama-refugees akuphi akhona la eSouth Africa. Yayibona lo nto leyo. So izinto esingazazi lezo, in other words, ugovernment wethu uyabenefita ngabantu bangaphandle abakhona la eSouth Africa. Wena muntu olapha kwi-lower level uzokhuluma into eziningi uthola ukuthi ukhuluma lo ukuthi abantu mababuyele emakubo inani kodwa ugovernment ubengazuthi akanakile because uyazi ukuthi bona as i-organization i-United Nations kunezinto abazikhuluma, kune-mandate, kunema-regulations abawabeka pertaining ama-refugees, and kunobudlelwane ababakhile bona as amazwe ahlangene ukuthi njengamazwe ahlangene nazi thina izinto esizozenza sizokwenza lokhu nalokhu. The day uSouth Africa ephuma ku-United Nations, it's where uthola ukuthi kuzoba khona ama-changes even nezinto eziphathelene nama-refugees noba abantu bangaphandle ngoba uzobe ngaseyona ingxenye i-United Nations. The other thing engifuna ukuyiveza futhi, if ugovernment, after the elections esiba nawo la kushintsha khona upresident, uthola ukuthi kuzongena omunye upresident, uzothola ukuthi upresident uzovisitha to phesheya. Njengoba evisitha eyalapha akusuke ngayona ivisit nje ukuthi mhlambe just a vacation, no, usuke eyalapha eyonikezwa ukuthi okay nazi izinto ozozi-implementa ke wena njengomuntu osulapha in powers, naku ozokwenza naku ongamele ukwenze. Thina ukuze ubudlelwane bethu nawe okanye iSouth Africa bube right ukuze sikusupply ngalokhu nazi izinto njengomuntu o-in power, njengomuntu opresident ozofika uzikhulume, ozofika uzisho kubantu bakho, and sifuna ukuthi izwe lenu liqhutshwe ngale ndlela. Uma seliqhutshwe ngale ndlela lena ubudlelwano bethu thina nawe buzoba right. Failing to do that, thina ngeke sisikwazi ukuthi sikusupporte la. Uyabona khona manje kuthe maqala i-corona, iSouth Africa yacela imali ku-World Bank yenza i-loan because banobudlelwane angithi. Bayenza njani? Bayithola imali kwi-World Bank ukuthi benze njani bazonikeza abantu. Mina ngiyibona as i-mistake le eyenziwe ku-government ukuthi aboleke imali from i-World Bank emva kaloko anikeze abantu o-350. why ugovernment engazange aboleke imali ku-World Bank after that asungule or introduce ama-skills development within the country ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuthi bazenzele imisebenzi, abantu bakwazi to generate imali so that le mali le ayibolekile abantu bazokwazi ukuthi ngandlela thize izobuya mayisenza njani ibuyele back to World Bank. Njengoba uSouth Africa aboleka imali, leso sikweletu sizohleze simile ukuthi ngelunye usuku uSouth Africa makenze njani makayikhokhe leyo mali. If kuthiwa akayikhokhi leyo mali kodwa ikhona indlela abazokwenza ngayo ukuthi leyo mali igcine yenze njani ikhokhiwe. Kanjani? Kuzokhuphuka ama-tax kwenzeke izinto eziningi within the country. Abantu abazosafarisha kakhulu are those people uthola ukuthi abantu abasebenzela ugovernment and then nabantu uthola ukuthi banezinto uthola ukuthi ugovernment uba khona imali ayitholayo kuzona. They will make sure ukuthi kuwona wonke ama-departments kukhona indlela ethize abazoyisebenzisa ukuthi makube khona imali edonswayo ebantwini kwenzela ukuthi kwenze njani kugcine sekukhokhwe le mali abayiboleka ku-World Bank. USouth Africa indlela ebekumele ngabe wenza ngayo noba ugovernment wethu ngabe wenza ngayo bekumele athi yena njengamanje since kwaba khona i-COVID abantu abaningi balahlekelwa umsebenzi, we want abantu abanama-skills, abantu abathi asisebenzi kodwa siyakwazi ukwenza lokhu nalokhu bahlangane, maybe abantu babe u-5 bangabe u-10 bangabe baningi babe u-few. Those people basho bathi nazi izinto esikwazi ukuzenza, ugovernment abanikeze imali yokuqala baqale ibhizinisi, and mabeqala lo mabhizinisi abawaqalayo umnotho uzokhula because into eyenzakalayo nakwi-trading kwenzeka kanje. Ilizwe elidevelophayo uthola ukuthi liba nama-export, likhipha izinto eziningi, liyakhiqiza and then likhiphele izinto to other countries, then umnotho uyakhula. Kepha ilizwe othola ukuthi lona lithatha izinto ngaphandle lizifake kulelo ezweni labo, lelo lizwe elithatha khona izinto like o-China ilona umnotho walo wenza njani okhulayo. So ngithi mina let us rebuild our society. Uma ngithi let us rebuild our society, abantu mabafunde to do i-forex trading. Uma sizofunda to do i-forex trading, after that masizameni ukuthi kube khona amabhizinisi esizowaqala. Singa-expect ukuthi we will get ama-tender from government. Kodwa let us generate or let us raise imali kwi-forex trading. Emva kaloko kube khona amabhizinisi esizowenza, kube khona izinto esizozimanufacture within the country. Let us make this thing ye-forex ibe yisikompilo, ibe one of ama-custom or a traditional or ngizothi ibe yisikompilo kwi-generation elandela thina. Kwenzela ukuthi should ugovernment retrencher or abantu uthola ukuthi ama-companies amaningi ayavalwa, but sibe sino 80 or 70% wabantu abathi we know how to make money through forex, so that we will be able to wenza njani sikhuphule umnotho wa-South Africa. Umnotho wa-South Africa ukuze ukhuphuka awudingi ukuthi sonke sibe abantu abasebenzela ugovernment osebenzela ama-companies athize, but if thina as ama-South Africans sizokwazi ukuthi sibe nezinto ezizoproducwa within the country, sikwazi ukuthi kube khona abantu abaqashwayo, kube khona amabhizinisi, kube khona a lot of izinto ezimanufacture within our country, then ziphume ziye kwamanye amazwe, then ilizwe lizokwenza njani, lizodevelopa. So this is a challenge, this is a wake-up call kunina nonke abalalela le video nabangibukayo njengamanje ukuthi asidingi ukuthi siqashwe ugovernment, asidingi ukuthi size sosebenzela abelungu in order to have imali, in order to develop our country. But what we need to do right now, we need to realize the power within us, and then we need to release the power within us. kuthiwa knowledge is the power. If you acknowledge, if you know and understand the power within your mind, izinto onazo la, you will start to have a vision. And then okulandelayo, you will bring that vision into existence. Once you bring that vision into existence, there will be a turnaround in your life as an individual, a turnaround in your family, a turnaround in your society, a turnaround in your country, a turnaround in our continent, a turnaround even kumhlaba wonke jikelele. Those people esibaregada as ama-billionaire nama-millionaires today, njengo-Elon Musk, abasuka eSouth Africa baye kwamanye amazwe nabanye. They started with ama-vision abukeke amancane. They realize ama-vision abanawo. After that, they did something in order to bring ama-vision abo into existence. So this is a wake-up call. This is a challenge ka-2022. Kubona bonke abantu ba-South Africa ukuthi okay, now enough is enough ukuthi we will wait for 350 from government ngoba sethi asisebenzi, COVID yenza lokho nalokho. In nowadays, if you know how to use a laptop, if you've got a cell phone, if you've got a data or Wi-Fi or an access to internet, you can change impilo yakho from bitter to better. We've got an access yokuthi singene kuma brokers a website, si create ama account and then start to trade. Start with a demo account. After that, you can come together as a family of few number of people. Uthola ukuthi nenza ipool. Mangithi nenza ipool, mhlawumbe uthola inhlangano nibo 5 nobani nibo 10, okay, let's contribute. Mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi we contributing, mhlawumbe ngenze example, not ukuthi into engithi mayenzeke. Mhlawumbe let's say so 5 so 10 si contribute o 500 rand. By contributing labo 500 rand senza malini, senza o 5,000. And then you create a trading account. Seniyakwazi ukutrade ngithi, you creating a trading account. That trading account enizoyicreate izobe no 5,000 rand. If you convert leyo mali is about 200 and something US dollars or almost 300 US dollars. Ni trade in a period of a month, definitely izobe siningi imali. Then those people uthola ukuthi bakule pool vela abantu abayifundayo trading, abantu abatradeayo nabangithi. By the time ni raise ama funds in this account, abanye they practicing in with demo. Niya communicator, you've got a group, ihlezi ni communicator. Ama funds from this first account, okuyi primary account, awume sekhulile. Nithi okay, mhlambe let's say now we've got 1,000 US dollars. Mase nino 1,000 US dollars, maybe you split ama funds. Nithi okay, let us create another account. Babe u2 mhlambe abantu abatradeayo. Second month ikhule imali. Uma isikhulile imali, then manibona okay, now so 10 we will be able ukuthi si trade each and every person enze njani abe ne account akazozitradela yona. Mind you, that primary account niqale ngayo ningayisusi kodwa iqhubeke ikhona. And then each and every person uzobe sene trading account yakhe, you are sharing ama signals, you are analyzing a market ninonke, and then you know when to enter, you know where to exit. You've got a daily target, a profit plan, niyazi kahle ukuthi okay, ngosuku senze imali engaka. Nizoyenza lonto in unity. As niyenza lonto in unity, definitely I don't want to lie. Leyo nto leyo kuyothi kuphela u6 months nizobe nibone way forward. By doing that, nizoyiphila lento lena. Uma niyiphila, there will be abantu abazoyibona lento niyenza yenzeka. I-society izokhula, kuzoba khona abantu abazayo. Uma beza abantu nibatshela ivision, nibatshela imission, nibatshela indlela enenza ngayo, nibatshele futhi ukuthi ukuphi enifuna ukwenza. Ikhula into yakhona. The more ikhula, nizobe nisebenza with abantu othola ukuthi bafuna ukuba yingxenye yombono. Abantu abangayona ingxenye yombono nabangawuboni lo mbono bazobe bengaphandle. Lapho you will be building a society of ama-traders. Ama-traders othola ukuthi they will invest nakwamanye amabhizinisi, kube khona a lot of things abazozenza within the country. Leyo nto leyo izokwenza ukuthi kube khona uguquko eSouth Africa, kube khona uguquko kuphi eAfrica, yonke izokhula ikhule iziphumele nakwamanye amazwe, ngoba njengamanje we've got i-challenge yokuthi ugovernment wethu, if uzolani as individual ezosiza abantu ukuthi abantu babe financial free, ugovernment uyayi-challenge lonto and avala ama-account enze zonke izinto. Kodwa kumazwe njengo-Dubai, in Dubai if you are a forex trader, you get ama-contract with ama-investors. Mhlawumbe bathi okay, nangu 15 million, nangu 10 million, sicela usitrade lo nyaka wonke. By the end of the year ba-expect about 30 or 40%. The rest emali uyazibekela wena aside, uyabhizi uphinde utradele nabanye. Uyabona ukuthi in other countries abantu abama-traders they making a lot of money, ngoba it's possible as a trader ukuthi ngenyanga uwenze 100%. It's depend ukuthi equity yakho ithini nanokuthi strategy osebenzisayo, kodwa akuphoqile ukuthi wenze 100% ngenyanga. You can make 100% ku-target unyaka wonke ukuthi wenze 100%. So this is a challenge, this is a wake-up call kubantu ababuka le video ukuthi okay, now let us rebuild our society. As I'm striving, as I'm working hard ukuthi kuphele le case engibhekane nayo, eventually ngirefunde abantu, but zikhona indlela zokuthi abantu bangashintsha impilo zabo. Fundani i-forex trading. Nisuke kwi-forex trading, there will be ama-ideas and amanye ama-vision azoqhamuka ukuthi okay, nansi enye indlela esingadevelopha ngayo. Le nto engikhuluma ngayo ayidingi ukuthi size sibonane ubuso ngobuso, but each and everything ingenziwa online. You can have a group online, you can WhatsApp, or you can create a Microsoft team or to Zoom and then create a community or a society. Yabona if uzoya kumaSulumane noma kuma-India noma kweziphi inhlanga, they've got ama-organization abanawo, uthola ukuthi they benefiting kuloma organization, but thina njengendlu emnyama we are failing to unite, we are failing to come together. Kodwa ugovernment wethu uhlangene with United Nations and they benefiting from United Nations, they benefiting from a World Bank. That's why uthola ukuthi they will allow even in ama-capitalist noba ama-bank angaphandle azela eSouth Africa azofaka imithetho enze zonke izinto. If uzolane phansi seqala esenza izinto ezokwenza ukuthi abantu babenefit, uthola ukuthi wenza njani, uyablockwa or uyasuspendwa ngobani, bayabona ukuthi lo muntu uzosilimaza ngobani, uzoshaya ama-bank. So let us reunite, let us rebuild our society ngokuthi siqale manje sizenzele izinto. If kumele senze izinto, sizenze izinto, silandele le mithetho abathi masilandele, kodwa sibe sazi kahle ukuthi okay, ama-bank asiwa involve. We are creating our own wealth by having ama-trading accounts. Imali mayiye ebhenki ngoba ufuna ukuyisebenzisa, but most of ama-brokers now you are able ukuthi utrade then ugcine imali kwi-profile yakho noba kwi-portfolio yakho, and then kwi-platform uthola ukuthi bancane. So we can be able ukuthi senze njani, sizi-develop by doing trading, uyisave imali yakho ihlale lapha. Kunoba ngabe mhlambe kuthiwa bayayi-freeze account yakho yasebhenki, ba-freeze account kodwa ama-funds abengekho, then when you will communicate with i-broker yakho should usushintsha mhlambe indlela to get ama-funds ukuthi okay, I'm using i-wallet, mhlambe uyusebenzisa o-Skrill or usebenzisa o-Pioneer or usebenzisa o-PayPal or whatever, any payment method ongayisebenzisa. Kodwa masizameni ukuthi masishintsheni, ngoba njengamanje uthatha imali uyisebhenki, ibhenki likunikeza 2%, but they making millions ngemali yakho. Bakucharge ukuthi ubeke imali yakho kubona. On the other side uthola ukuthi makuthiwa usufuna ukhipha imali ufuna ukwenza ama-notice nani, they making a lot of money from trading ama-bank. Leyo nto leyo into esingayazi kodwa sesiyayazi. If usuyazi uqala ukuthi bakhona something oyenzayo, baqala benza njani, bayakususpenda, benza njani, bathumela ugovernment nama-authorities ukuthi bamvimbe. Yabo njengamanje it's been 3 years ngisuspendiwe, zonke izinto zami zivalekile zinyakazi, and nginesure ukuthi le mali labayivalelile bayayisebenzisa leyo mali batrade ngayo. Imalini abayenzayo with le mali abayivalele lama-bank, they are making a lot of money because ama-millions abawavalele lapha, and with those millions they making a lot of millions. Ngobani bayazi ukuthi ngisuspendiwe, angikwazi ukuyikhipha imali. So let us rebuild our society. Masivukeni. Iyekeni lento ukuthi nithi masijahe sikhipha abantu bangaphandle. Abantu bangaphandle abenza ngalutho. Ugovernment wethu uyabenefita ngalabantu abangaphandle. Ngiyabonga, salana kanjalo. Email yami zolanephansi@gmail.com. If you want to do trading, please contact me via an email, then I will reply to you. Thank you. Bye.